Welcome to our channel where today we demystify how to fix investment tracking issues in personal capital with a clear, step-by-step approach. Welcome to our channel where today we demystify how to fix investment tracking issues in personal capital with a clear, step-by-step approach. Personal capital is an excellent financial tool, but sometimes the investment tracking can be off or incomplete. Let's walk through a professional, detailed method to ensure your investment portfolio is tracked accurately and up-to-date. First, start by logging into your personal capital account and navigate to the Investments tab. Here, review all your linked accounts carefully to identify any missing or misclassified accounts. If you find that an account isn't syncing properly, the next step is to verify your connection credentials. Go to the Link Accounts section and double-check that your login information for each financial institution is current and correct. Sometimes accounts disconnect due to outdated passwords or multi-factor authentication issues, so re-authenticating is essential. Once your accounts are properly linked, the third step is to review each investment holding. Make sure that the data displays correct types of assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Personal capital may occasionally mislabel an asset class, so manually correcting these details can improve tracking accuracy. Fourth, examine the transaction history for each account. Check for any missing dividends, interest, or trades that haven't been accounted for. If you notice discrepancies, you can manually add transactions or contact the institution for clarification on missing data. Another valuable tip is to update your investment goals and targets within personal capital. This keeps your tracking aligned with your current financial objectives and makes the dashboard insights more relevant and actionable. If after these steps, you still experience tracking issues, consider clearing your app's cache or reinstalling the mobile application to resolve any software glitches. Lastly, keep an eye on periodic updates from personal capital and your financial institution since changes in API connections or data feeds can affect synchronization. Stay proactive by regularly reviewing your portfolio and performing these checks monthly to maintain clean and accurate investment tracking. By following these straightforward steps, you can restore confidence in your financial dashboard, enabling you to make smarter investment decisions and stay on top of your wealth management journey.